This video will show you how to install and update RainbowOne. Download. First, use your web browser to go to our website, and then click on the download page. Choose the appropriate version and click Download. Once the download is complete, you can install it. Install. Open the installation file. You will see this window because Windows is trying to protect your computer. Click on More Info, and then click Run Anyway. You may see a security window. Choose Yes, and follow the instructions on the screen to proceed with the installation. After installation is complete, you can open the program. Update. There are two methods of updating: General Update and Critical Update. Critical Update is an important update that needs to be installed for access. General Update includes program revisions or new feature additions. The system will not mandate updates. General Update. When there's an update, you'll see a notification on the main screen and you can click to start the update. Critical Update. The update will be automatically applied when you open the application with an internet connection. Please do not disconnect the internet during the update process, as it may cause the application to crash.